Hi, everyone. I'm Danielle Barber, Director of Regulatory Compliance Product Marketing here at Kiteworks, and I'm excited to introduce you to our Discord server. At Kiteworks, we love to help organizations achieve compliance with the latest cybersecurity regulations. We believe the compliance doesn't have to be daunting, and we're here to support you every step of the way. That's why we've set up this Discord server as a community where we can share information, best practices, and insights about CMMC 2.0 compliance. Whether you're an expert in cybersecurity or just starting out, our server is a place where you can connect with like-minded individuals and learn more about how to stay compliant. When you join our server, you'll see that we have channels for discussions around CMMC 2.0 compliance, resources we have gathered that we believe will be most helpful for organizations working towards their certification, as well as channels for general chat and questions. We encourage you to participate in these discussions, ask questions, and share your own experiences. Whether you're looking to stay compliant with CMMC 2.0, network with other professionals, or just learn more about cybersecurity, we welcome you to the Kiteworks Discord server. Click here to join. We look forward to connecting.